Stress is a natural part of life, but it's important to learn how to manage it effectively. It can have a significant impact on our overall well-being, so finding ways to cope with it is crucial. There are many different techniques and strategies we can use to manage stress, including relaxation exercises, physical activity, and prioritizing tasks. In this presentation, we'll explore some of the most effective stress management techniques and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. The peaceful, serene image on this slide sets the tone for the topic of stress management, reminding us of the importance of finding moments of calm and tranquility. This can help us recharge and approach challenges with a clearer, more focused mindset. Stress management is an important skill that can improve our overall quality of life. By learning and practicing effective techniques, we can better navigate the demands of our daily lives and maintain a sense of balance and well-being. Stress is a physiological response that triggers the body's fight or flight mechanism, causing increased heart rate, breathing, and other physical changes. Stress also has a cognitive impact, affecting our thoughts and decision-making abilities, leading to difficulty concentrating and poor judgment. Stress can evoke negative emotions like anxiety, irritability, and even depression, putting a significant emotional strain on individuals. It's important to recognize that everyone experiences stress differently, with varying triggers and coping mechanisms. Understanding these different aspects of stress is crucial in developing effective strategies to manage it. Work-related stresses like job demands, work overload, lack of control, and poor work-life balance can contribute to stress. Long hours, unrealistic deadlines, and challenging colleagues exacerbate these issues. Personal stresses like financial worries, relationship problems, family issues, and health concerns are common sources of stress. Life transitions such as moving, changing jobs, or caring for a loved one can also be stressful. Environmental factors like noise, pollution, traffic, and overcrowding can trigger stress responses. Natural disasters, social unrest, and political instability can also contribute to stress. Social stresses such as social isolation, loneliness, lack of social support, and bullying can be stressful. Negative social interactions, discrimination, and prejudice can also lead to stress. Stress can manifest in various ways, both physically and mentally. Physically, common stress symptoms include headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, and digestive issues. Emotionally, stress can cause anxiety, irritability, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating. Behaviorally, stress may lead to increased smoking, alcohol consumption, or unhealthy eating habits. Cognitively, stress can affect decision-making, memory, and lead to negative thought patterns. It's important to be aware of these different stress symptoms so you can recognize when you or someone you know is experiencing high levels of stress. Identifying the symptoms is the first step in addressing and managing stress effectively. Identifying the specific situations, thoughts, or feelings that trigger stress is an important first step in developing healthy coping strategies. Practicing deep, slow breathing can have a calming effect on the nervous system and help reduce feelings of anxiety. Replacing negative self-talk with more encouraging and supportive inner dialogue can improve our mindset and outlook. Engaging in relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can help manage stress and promote overall well-being. Seeking social support from friends, family, or support groups can provide valuable emotional comfort and a sense of community. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient sleep can build resilience and improve our ability to cope with stress. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools for managing stress and improving overall well-being. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. This can enhance self-awareness and reduce anxiety. Meditation comes in many forms, like guided meditations, breath work, and mindful movement practices like yoga. The image on this slide depicts a serene, peaceful scene of someone meditating outdoors. This conveys the calming, relaxing nature of meditation. Regular practice of mindfulness and meditation can promote emotional well-being and help us be more present in our daily lives. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can reduce stress levels. This helps us manage everyday stresses and challenges more effectively. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep quality and duration. Improved sleep leads to increased energy and focus throughout the day. While exercise can be tiring in the short term, it actually increases our energy levels in the long run. This makes it easier to cope with daily demands and stay productive. Exercise can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. This contributes to a more positive outlook and increased resilience, helping us maintain a healthy mindset. A nutritious diet provides the essential vitamins and minerals to support healthy brain function and reduce stress. Staying hydrated is key for overall well-being and can help manage stress. Herbal teas like chamomile or lavender have a calming effect. Practicing mindful eating helps develop a healthy relationship with food, allowing you to appreciate flavors and textures while reducing stress. Sharing meals with loved ones fosters social connection and reduces stress, promoting emotional well-being. Work-life balance is crucial for our overall well-being and productivity. The key is to prioritize tasks, distinguish between what's urgent and what's truly important in both our work and personal lives. We need to set clear boundaries between work and personal time. Avoid the temptation to check emails and work messages outside of work hours. Scheduling regular downtime for relaxation and leisure activities is essential. Engaging in hobbies and spending quality time with loved ones can help reduce stress. If we are struggling, it's important to communicate with our employer about work-life balance concerns. Seeking professional guidance can also be very helpful in managing stress and prioritizing tasks. Effective time management is crucial for reducing stress and improving productivity. The key strategies are: prioritize tasks, identify which tasks are most urgent and important. Set realistic goals, avoid overcommitting, and set achievable targets. Break down tasks, divide large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Schedule time, allocate dedicated time slots for specific tasks. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your time and feel less overwhelmed. When stress becomes overwhelming and you're unable to manage it on your own, it's crucial to seek professional support. Therapists, counselors, or other mental health professionals can provide valuable guidance and support. There are various types of professional support available, including therapy, medication, and support groups. It's important to find a professional who aligns with your needs and preferences. Seeking professional help can alleviate stress, improve your well-being, and equip you with coping strategies to effectively manage stress in the long run. When choosing a professional, consider their experience, qualifications, and approach. It's important to feel comfortable and confident in the relationship. The key takeaways from our presentation today are 4 important strategies for managing stress. Mindfulness, developing a sense of awareness and acceptance of our thoughts and feelings can help us better manage stress. Work-life balance, establishing a healthy balance between our work and personal lives is crucial for reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. Nutrition, proper nutrition can positively impact our physical and mental health, providing the necessary energy to cope with stress. Sleep, getting enough quality sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being and helps us manage stress levels effectively. These 4 areas, mindfulness, work-life balance, nutrition, and sleep are all important components of a holistic approach to stress management. I encourage you to focus on implementing these strategies in your own life.